So this is what I'm doing. So I've got these Raymar 8x16 panels that I'm going to take. And I've got 12x16 panels that I want to take as well. And then I have some 4x6 small panels that I want to take. And so this 12x16, you can't put these 8x16s in because they, if you put them down this way, they will slide. I engineered something. Hopefully it's going to work. Took some Velcro, some scissors, and actually attached this 8x16 with Velcro to this 12x16 canvas so that I can put it on my easel this way, and then when I'm done I can put it in the carrier. So I would put this in the front. So I've got this one in here in the very front now correctly, and it is not touching the box at all, so I'm happy with that. And now I'm going to attach these 4x6s to a 12x16, some horizontal and some vertical, so that I can put this up on the board. On my easel and paint. And I could paint some horizontals and a vertical, however I wanted to do that. Or I can detach it since it will be Velcro and put it up on my easel. And then when I get ready, when I'm done with it, I can attach it back using that Velcro and then put this in the same box in the very back, and it still has space to not touch the front one. And then when I get to the car, transfer those over to the large 16x20 box for storage while I'm out painting, and restock my smaller 12x16 box. So that's how I'm taking several different sizes with me out plein air painting this week at Plein Air South.